How to fix no signal issue in Xiaomi 15. So let's start the video. First of all, restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold volume up button and power button at the same time like that. And then swipe up to turn off your device and then turn on your device again. After that, swipe down to your control center and here you can turn on or off your airplane mode 2 to 3 times like that. After that, reinsert your SIM card. After inserting your SIM card, then open settings. In settings, you can see the option more connectivity options. And then click on reset Wi-Fi, mobile networks and Bluetooth. And then reset your network settings. After reset your network settings, then go back to the main page of your settings and then click on about phone. And then again click on Xiaomi Hyper OS. Now here you can check your updates. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After that, your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.